Hello, outstanding kids. Welcome to another exciting term. Yeah, this second term will be fun, exciting, and interesting, I promise you. Now, kids, our first lesson is on the topic illnesses. Now, let's look at the meaning of illness. You can see the picture, different types of illnesses are there. Now, an illness is a disease or sickness affecting the body. So, illness are sickness or diseases which affect the body. Now, there are different types of illnesses, and illnesses are caused by harmful germs such as bacteria and virus. Okay, there are some illnesses that occurs more often in Nigeria. We're going to look at some illnesses that are mostly found in Nigeria. The first one here is malaria. Malaria is a popular illness and is a mosquito-borne infectious disease that affects humans and other animals. It is caused by single-celled microorganisms of the Plasmodium group. So, when an infected mosquito that is carrying malaria bites someone who is free from malaria, automatically such a person contacts that illness of malaria. So malaria is one of the common illness that is found in Nigeria. Now you can see, kids, mosquitoes stay in places with stagnant water and lot of grasses. So you must make sure that your surrounding is clean at all time. So to be free from malaria, you must make sure, one, cut down bushy grasses. Two, your surrounding should be free from stagnant water. And three, sleep under mosquito free nets. These will help you to stay free from malaria. Just like we have in the picture, you can see the kids sleeping under mosquito free nets. It prevents mosquito from biting you. The next common illness is cholera. Cholera. Have you heard of cholera before? Okay. Now, cholera is a serious disease that is caused by bacteria in unclean water. So when you drink dirty water, it causes cholera. It causes what? Cholera. And a person infected with cholera will suffer from diarrhea and vomiting. Such a person will begin to vomit and also suffer from diarrhea. So kids, you must make sure that your water you drink should be what? Clean. To avoid cholera, you must drink clean water and also eat properly cooked food, because when you eat food which is not properly cooked, it can cause diarrhea, okay, and cholera. Now the next one is dysentery. The next common illness in Nigeria is dysentery. Do you know what dysentery means? Dysentery and diarrhea are kind of similar, and they are illnesses caused by ingesting feces through food or water. This results to the presence of blood and mucus in the feces. So when you eat food which the feces of animals have entered, it will result to dysentery. Now let's look at the general causes of common illness. One, dirty and polluted surrounding can cause illness, can make someone to be sick. So you must make sure that your surrounding is what? Clean. Dirty and polluted surrounding causes what? Illness. The next cause of illness is poor hygiene. Poor hygiene, when you are not clean, just like we can see in our body odor, it can cause one to have what? Illness. Then unkept hair can also cause what? A person to have what? Illness. When your hair is unkept and you, before you see their lice and the rest, you start itching, you become uncomfortable. Then another poor hygiene is bad mouth odor. Mouth odor. This can also what? Result to what? Illness. Okay, now kid, another general cause of illness is eating contaminated food. Food that germs have entered will result to what? Illness. You have stomach ache and lots of them. Then next we have is infection. Infection in any part of the body can result to illness, whether on the eye, the leg, the skin, whatever, any form of infection can result to illness. Now, what are the symptoms of common illness? How do you feel when you are sick? One, you have body weakness, you begin to feel weak. Then two, you have body pain and sometimes loss of appetite. You don't want to eat anything that is given to you. Now, when a person is sick, you should go see a what? Doctor, in order for such illness to become not to become worse. So for you to make sure that that sickness is not worse, you must see a doctor. Okay, now what are the ways to ways to prevent common illness? One, eating properly cooked meals. You must endeavor to eat food that are properly cooked. Then two, washing of hands. Don't eat with what? Dirty hands. Then three, keeping the environment clean at all time. Then also covering of food or water containers so that the feces of animals will not enter into them. These are some ways to prevent common illness. Okay, now kids, before we go, let's look at some interactive questions to check if we really understood the lesson. Okay, the first interactive question we have here says, dash is a common illness in Nigeria. A, HIV, B, COVID-19, C, cholera. The right option is C, cholera. Cholera is a common illness in Nigeria, and this is as a result of drinking bad water. Then two, dash illness is caused by animal feces. A, cholera, B, dysentery, C, malaria. The right option is B, dysentery. Dysentery is caused as a result of what? Animal feces. Okay, kids, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Okay, make sure you attend your quiz. Bye. I love you.